What's up, beautiful people? So I welcome you all again to my 365 day of saving the sum of 1,000 every single day for 365 days. Now today is day 160, and of course we've added another 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise. Now for you to get started with Cowrywise, once you click the link I'm going to leave in the video description or in the comment section, when you are done with registration, this is going to be the interface you're going to see. Now when you look on the screen, you're going to see how much you've been able to accumulate so far. Right now, one of the tips that kept me consistent is that I had to automate my saving. Now, what do I mean by automating my saving? Now, I did it in a way that Cowrywise is going to debit the sum of 1,000 for my local bank account or my traditional bank account, and then send it over to Cowrywise without me lifting any finger. And I'd want you to adopt that. Another way that kept me consistent is that I have to reduce the way I spend. Okay, and I want you to reduce the way you spend things like a thief. I always say that, but you just have to understand what I mean. All right. Now, in case you are coming across this video for the first time and you feel like you are too late to join this challenge, I want to personally tell you that you are not too late, and it is never too late. I want you to start today that you are seeing this video. I want you to click the like button in appreciation of the value you're always getting on this channel. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button, because what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload video just like this, because we are going to be uploading this kind of video to the rest of the year. Okay, now in case you are looking for ways you can be able to make a lot of money for yourself, or ways you can let your money make more money for you, or way you can be able to make money without spending any capital or any form of investment, or even bringing any two persons that is going to bring another two person that will end up bringing another two person before you can be able to earn money for yourself, I want you to click this video you are seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the screen, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys, and always know that Leo loves you. And when I see you on the other video, bye for now.